So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can add background music to iPhone video. So first of all, open the App Store on your iPhone. Now here, tap on the search icon on the bottom right corner. Now here search for UCut. Now this is the app. Make sure you install it. Now once the app is installed, tap on open to launch it. After this, tap on this plus icon and now select the video you want to edit. For example, this one. Now tap on this arrow. Now once you do this, you can edit the video. Now to add the background music, tap on music. And now you can select all the music you want to add. For example, this one, or this one. Now once you do this, this will add the background music to the video. Tap on OK. And as you can see here, the music is added. Now you can trim the music. For this, tap here and then tap on trim and then tap on split. And now as you can see here, the extra part is trimmed. Tap on delete and this will remove the extra part. Once done, tap on save and now select the resolution. For example, 4K. Once done, tap on save and this will save the video. Now let's go back to the home screen. After this, open the Photos app. And now as you can see here, this is the video I edited. So this is how I can add background music to iPhone video. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.